Hey guys, in this video I'll show you how you can listen to Spotify music while playing Roblox on iPhone or iPad. So make sure to watch the video till the very end, and let's begin. First of all, open the Shortcuts app on your mobile device and make sure it is updated to the latest version available. After that, you will be redirected to this page where you will see all of your recently created shortcuts if you have any. Now tap on the plus icon at the top right corner of your screen and a menu will slide up. Inside it, rename the shortcut to anything you want. Then tap on the Add Action button embed and start searching for play or pause. Once you have the action button, tap on the Done button at the top right corner to close this menu. After that, open the Settings app, go to Accessibility, then go to Touch, and then turn on the Assistive Touch feature. Now go to the Double Tap Shortcut tab, select the shortcut we just created, and you are done. All you need to do now is to open the Spotify app and play the music. Once you have done that, run Roblox, play the game, and then you just have to tap on this double tap on this Assistive Touch button. That's basically how you can listen to Spotify music while playing Roblox on iPhone or iPad. So that's all for today's video. Hope you liked the video. Thanks.